I think Sitemark has been built on thinking that we need to find the perfect balance between quality and cost effectiveness. And so there's a lot of hype about AI in the industry and using AI, but the problem is that AI tends to also induce the challenge of having low quality. So we create this human in the loop solution. So whenever data comes in, we will use basically machine learning and AI, depending on what step, to define what we're looking at and to, for example, label items or to categorize items and things like that. But whenever the confidence of the AI drops, so on every single detection, we have a confidence factor, and whenever it goes low, it will be overseen by a human. And these humans can then correct, and so the customer only gets corrected data or high confidence predictions from the AI. And all of this corrections data, let's say, were exceptions that the AI found challenging, let's say, and which will be used in the next iteration of our machine learning prediction. And that's what we've been doing for the last 7 years. So this was part of our core strategy at the beginning. And so we've got a lot of things which are very mature. For example, panel detection, hotspot detection is running 99.999% automated. I would say there's never a human oversight needed. But of course, new products like construction tracking with pole detection, things like that, do sometimes require human oversight. So it just takes time to build up these models, but we want to be able to go to market quickly. And we want our customers most importantly also to benefit from the effectiveness of AI while preserving good quality. So that's really human in the loop.
Perfect. And okay, this I don't know exactly what this table shows. So if you want to explain it, cool. If not, we can.
Well, it just shows that we've got 3 different ways of working in thermography. So we have got 3 centimeter, 5.5, and 10. So it's just different resolutions at which we work. Of course, we are a member. We are leading the IC committee in terms of the new standard around thermography, and the IC still states that 3 centimeters is needed to do thermography. So we do offer it. All of our reporting and solution is IC compliant, so we can be fully IC compliant. But let's say most customers are looking for a cost-effective solution. So 5.5 is really the way to go, and it will give you the best bang for your buck, let's say, where you're getting all of the anomalies and the root causes identified, so you get the same quality of analysis. But let's say the flights are way more effective, so you're nearly flying twice as high, so you'll get the job done faster. So that's mainly it. And then we've got very low amount of customers that go for low. The people that buy 10 centimeter thermography are often the ones who go for plane-based thermography and who are just looking to find broken strings, but are not really interested in plant performance.